Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video we are going to see the SQL queries, and in this video we are going to see the DML and DDL, and we are going to know about this. So let's understand the basic of SQL and how it is used to manage data efficiently. So let's get started. So first of all, SQL. What is meant by SQL? So SQL basically stands for Structured Query Language, and it is a standard language for managing relational databases. It allows you to create, retrieve, update, and delete data in databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. But why should you learn SQL? Because it's widely used in web applications, data analysis, and even in machine learning. So now let's see the types of SQL, the SQL data types. So before we dive into SQL commands, we should know the types of the SQL. So here we are going to see the types. First we can see the varchar. It is used for text, then int for whole numbers, decimal for precise numeric values, date and timestamp for date related values. Here we can see an example in which we have used the int for ID, means whatever will be the ID will be in the format of integer only. Then for name we are using varchar. Here we have to also specify the size of the name, means size of the characters that we want to put inside. So here we have given the 50, means we are going to put the 50 characters in this database. Now we can see the salary, which is in the decimal, and then hire date, which is in the type of date. Now let's see the SQL command categories. So there are basically four main categories. Data definition language, that is DDL, which is used for defining database structure. So this was the first one. Now second one is the data manipulation language, that is DML. It is used for modifying data. Third one is the data control language, DCL, for setting permissions. Fourth is the transaction control language, TCL, for managing transactions. Each of these plays an essential role in working with the databases. But in this video, we are going to see the data definition language, that is DDL, and data manipulation language, that is DML. So let's start with them. So first, let's start with the data definition language. So example of the data definition language are create, alter, and drop. So we are going to see them one by one. So DDL commands help in creating and modifying databases structure. Some key DML commands are create table, which helps us to create a table. Then alter table. With the help of alter keyword, we are going to modify the table. We are going to change the table, means we can change the data types also of a particular column, and we can update, change the size of the columns. This can be done with the alter table. Then drop table. Drop table is used to delete the table completely. So before using this drop table command, we should think about it, as it is going to delete the table. Now let's see about the data manipulation language, that is DML. DML commands are used to modify the data within the tables. Some key commands includes insert, update, and delete. Insert is used to add new records, update is used to modify existing data, and delete is used for the removing records. So let's see one of the example here. As here we can see that insert into employees. So here we are inserting the ID, name and salary of an employee. Then we are updating these. Then here we can see that we are updating the employee's salary with the 55,000. So first employee's salary was 50,000. Then now we are incrementing the employee's salary to 55,000. Here we are using the where keyword, where ID is equal to 1. So where keyword is basically used to refer the particular row. Means we are going to refer. We can use other keywords also, like other columns also. We can use name column also here. Means we can use that update employee set salary is equal to 55,000, where name is equal to Alice. Similarly, here we are using the where keyword for delete also, for deleting the employees, where ID is equal to 1. So this was all about the data manipulation language. Now let's see the SQL select statement. The select statement is one of the most commonly used commands in SQL. It helps retrieve data from a database. The basic syntax is select column name from table name where, and then we are going to give a condition there. So when we see our example, select name salary from employees. So here we are selecting the two columns, name column and salary column, from table employee, and where we are giving here condition where salary should be greater than 40,000. So here we are selecting the employees from the name and salary name column, with the help of the name column and salary column, and we are selecting which employees, the employees whose salary is greater than 40,000. So here we are fetching the data of the employees whose salaries are greater than 40,000. Now we can see here the additional clauses: distinct, retrieves unique values, order by, sort results, group by, groups data for aggregation. So in this video we have covered the basics of SQL, including SQL data types, categories of SQL commands, DDL and DML operations, the select statement. Now that you have a strong foundation, you can explore joins, aggregate functions and stored procedures. Keep practicing and apply these concepts in real project also. It will help you a lot. So this was all about the video, today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. Happy coding till now. Till then, bye.